looking at me. I don't have anything, nobody. Anyways, we're at the Love's here in Jasper, Florida. We're gonna pull out of here in a minute. Just finishing up our 30-minute break. Got about another minute. Guess he decided to leave. So we're heading on down to Sam's Club. Got a 5 p.m. delivery. Says I'm going to be there about 2 o'clock. That's before any traffic. So you can sign in 3 hours early. Doesn't mean you're going to get a dock. But we'll see. I want to try to beat Ocala traffic because Ocala traffic is really bad down here in Florida. So I left as early as I could to stay within my 14-hour window to get to consignee. Let's see what happens. It's just Memorial Day weekend, so even during the normal weekend, it gets really bad in Ocala. So I'll probably be in Ocala somewhere around 11:30, 12 o'clock, which makes me nervous, but we'll see how it goes. So, all right, let's start rolling. We're off with a herd of turtles.
Jet play duty status has changed to drive.
Yeah, change to drive. I like this though, so it's got a few places you can just kind of pull up along the curb, or right where I did, along the scale there. You can just park.
Turn at the first right onto U.S. Highway 129 South.
So it's the weekend. It's the 28th of May, 2022. It's about 10:37 in the morning. So I hope everybody's having a good, safe Memorial Day weekend. Probably won't see this film until maybe sometime Sunday.
Half a mile. Turn left onto I-75 toward Lake City.
That's coming in today. Had some problems with my other computer. I talked about it before in either this video or the last video. So I got a new, called with an MSI. My wife has an MSI computer, a gaming computer. She doesn't game at all, but she bought it for night to look for that strap. I'm going to try to remind myself to look for that strap at Sam's Club so I can use the camera mount on my head to see if that's better than the hand cam I had before, which was awful. So, in any case, folks, I will catch up with you here in a little bit. So, take care for now. Alright, so in the last clip there, I apologize about the audio. It looks like I had my headset hanging on the armrest of my passenger captain's chair because I was just real quick. I hit the button to film that bird, but I didn't have my headset on, and for some reason I thought I did because I have my hat on today. So I guess I just assumed that my headset was on, so sorry about that. But anyways, just to recap on that last audio clip, basically what we did there is we did our 30-minute break at the Jasper Loves, went by the way station, did a pre-pass, or got a bypass, and it's May 28th, Saturday morning. It's now 11:13. I think back then it was like 10:45, I think. But it's a beautiful day here in sunny Florida. We're on our way down to Sam's, 5 o'clock delivery. Going to try to get there around 2. You can sign in up to 3 hours early. Doesn't mean you're going to get a door, but I'm going to see if I can. If not, just going to hang out there. And I'll try when I'm there. I keep forgetting to look for that head strap for my my GoPro so I can strap it on my forehead instead of the hat, because I think the hat's a little too high because you can see my what do you call, not dashboard, what do you call that, my headliner type of thing where my cabinet is and everything. You can see that, so I'm going to look for that while I'm there. So all I said before in the last audio, if it didn't come through, was hope everybody's having a good Memorial Day weekend and a safe one. Just stay safe out there, and stay tuned for the next clip, which is going to be between either here in Sam's or at Sam's. So if I see something I want to film, I'll film it. If not, I'll catch you guys at Sam's, hopefully with a head strap cam, and I'll go from there. So see y'all soon. That's the Hillsborough River there, just outside of Tampa here.
Half a mile. Take exit 261 on the right, onto I-4 toward Orlando.
I-4 eastbound. So change of plans. We got a call about an hour and a half ago. Let me know they canceled the delivery today, and they want us to come back on June 1st, which I can't do it because I'll be in Mississippi on a different load. So I'm just taking this load to our yard and dropping it. So I'll be at our yard about 2 o'clock. So that gets me home earlier. I would have been home to probably 8 o'clock, 8:30 tonight after I would have delivered it at 5. And after they unload and hooking back up the trailer and taking it back to our yard and parking, that would have been about 8, 8:30. So I get home earlier today, which is good. I'm not complaining, I'll tell you that. It's quiet today on I-4 usually it's crowded, a lot of traffic. It's not too bad. Moving. Actually, overall, the ride in today was uneventful. No accidents that I saw. Traffic moved, so I'm happy about all that. All right, so it's about 2 o'clock now, and we're just about back at the yard here. So we'll park this for the weekend. Or should I say for this afternoon and tomorrow? Maybe even Monday, don't know yet. They're looking into, I don't know if I said this before, but they have pickup time for me on Memorial Day up in Atlanta at Kellogg's, but usually it has a time. And basically just says anywhere from midnight to midnight. So it doesn't give a time. So my dispatcher is looking into it. So I don't know if I'm going to be heading up on Monday or not. It's kind of weird why they put that, unless they figured not going to have workers or something. I don't know. So we might be home through Tuesday. Don't know yet. We'll find out. I'm surprised this gate's closed on Saturday. Usually it's open when the guard gate, or when the guard gate, when the mechanics are here, and they're still here. Come on, gate. Well, in the meantime, I'm going to look for my head cam strap. So for the next time, hopefully we're going to be able to film that. Why's that truck sticking out? Oh, he's doing something here. Ooh, might be able to put it right there. Nah, the truck there. Darn it. It's crowded here today. I doubt there's a spot down here either. Could I be so lucky? No, I'm not. Alright, let's see what we got on the other side here. I might just go through this way and see if I can back her in. So I'll put her right there. See if I can do this here. It's a little tight. We'll see.